Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys a very cool way how to market your websites and stand out from others. It's called a GIF. So right here on my Twitter is something that I posted today, and it's a great way to stand out. We're going to do this in Canva. It's completely free, and so let's do it. All right, so now that we're in Canva, you're going to get your video. So for me, it's this one right here. You're going to drag and drop it in. And now you're going to have this very long video. So then you're going to come to the end, and I'm going to drag it all the way to the left. And so basically what we're going to do, I like 0.8 seconds. Some people do it a lot quicker, but I think that you can't really see it. So I usually do 0.8, and I just need to make sure that it's in the right spot. Boom. Okay, so now we did the first page. So now we drag for the second page, and then we do the same thing. So then we come, we drag all the way for the second page, which is right here. And the video that I use for this, by the way, is a Loom video. I'm not sure if you have to pay in order to download, but if you do, it's only $15. So especially if you're taking marketing really seriously, it's a good investment for sure. Okay, so let's do 0.8 again. So let's drag it here and see if we got a good one. Yeah, I think that little glitch is okay. Yeah, that should be good. And then we'll do this again. And basically you just keep repeating this process until you finish. So it's really simple, really easy. Okay, let's see. So now that we got that one, we're going to drag it again and do the same thing. We're just going to keep dragging, and this next one is going to be right here. And a good tip is if you do a Loom video, just to make sure that you're staying on each screen for a long time so that it's easier to do this part. So let's see where we're at. Right there. So let's move it to here. And then we're going to do 0.08. Oops. All right, and then let's test it. Okay, let's do the next one. And I'm pretty sure you guys get the idea at this point. I'll do this last one, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. So we're going to drag this, and we'll go right here, 0.8. And try this. Okay, that one. We're going to need to stretch it. We're going to need to find a different place. Okay, so that's good. So here is the final project live and in Twitter, and it's just going to keep replaying because what I was doing was I was just putting basically my website, screen recording them, scrolling through them, putting music behind them, but it wasn't very successful. But when I started to do this type of format, when you're scrolling through, you can basically see the whole website in this is 7 seconds. And so this is a great thing to add to your marketing arsenal, whether you're an artist or a web designer or whatever. So I hope you use this and let me know down below. Thank you.